Severe weather continued to hit parts of the United States on Monday, with tornado warnings in place for several areas. A dangerous tornado threat was in place Monday, as severe storms hit major cities including Tulsa, Wichita, Kansas City, Omaha, Little Rock and Dallas, bringing damaging winds, large hail and a few tornadoes. The dangerous storms swept through the central United States on Monday, bringing several tornadoes, damaging hail and potential flash flooding to areas that have been battered by deadly weather for days. Residents in parts of Nebraska, Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, Oklahoma, Arkansas and Texas experienced devastating conditions as the storms rolled through. Several videos circulating on social media show parts of the United States that have been experiencing severe weather in recent days. In addition to the potentially powerful and long-lasting tornadoes, the powerful system produced wind gusts of more than 70 miles per hour and hail the size of baseballs. Damage reports from parts of Oklahoma showed power lines snapped, trees uprooted and homes reduced to shreds and debris. The storm also caused power outages and flight delays in the storm's path on Monday. Severe weather is expected to continue Monday night and throughout Tuesday, in some cases hitting areas still reeling from weekend storms. As of Monday, at least 7 tornadoes have been confirmed in the western Dallas-Fort Worth metroplex, according to the National Weather Service. The tornadoes ranged from EF0 to F1 and included one EF unknown tornado southeast of Santo. Authorities are urging the public to remain vigilant and use caution when doing outdoor activities due to the extreme weather conditions that have hit the area over the past few days.